Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your WhatsApp chats. So basically what you need to do, you need to go to your WhatsApp first. So here I open my WhatsApp and then just choose your chat. So I'm just choosing the first one to show you guys how to hide it. So suppose I want to hide this chat. Now what I need to do is to give back. Now hold the chat, hold it. Now you will see there are 5 types of symbols. So now what you need to do, you need to click on the fourth one. It will say archive chats. You need to click on it and now you can see your chat is hide or archive. Now to get back the chats, you need to click on the archive and here you can see that your chat. So yeah, that's how you hide your chat on WhatsApp. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. So till then, stay tuned with our channel. Thanks for watching.